Sending money from Pakistan to Philippines can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both Pakistan and Philippines. Some popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, and Xoom. Each service has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Once you have selected a service, you will need to gather the required information, including the recipient's name, address, and contact details. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address. Next, you need to fund the transfer. You can do this by visiting a local branch of the money transfer service, or by using their online platform. If you are using a bank transfer, you will need to provide the recipient's bank details, including their account number and bank name. After funding the transfer, you will receive a reference number or tracking number. This number can be used to track the status of the transfer and ensure that the recipient receives the funds. The recipient can then collect the funds from a local branch of the money transfer service, or have them deposited directly into their bank account. It is essential to inform the recipient of the reference number and any other relevant details, such as the transfer amount and expected delivery time. To ensure a smooth transfer, it is crucial to check the exchange rates and fees before sending the money. You should also verify the recipient's details to avoid any errors or delays. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits or restrictions that may apply. In conclusion, sending money from Pakistan to Philippines is a relatively simple process. By choosing the right money transfer service, gathering the required information, funding the transfer, and tracking the status, you can ensure that your funds are delivered safely and efficiently. Always compare services, check exchange rates, and verify recipient details to get the best deal.